This is what it sounds like before. This is factory stock Mustang GT. It's not bad. Still got throaty Mustang sound. Here's sound decibels. Again. 102. That's what it sounds like. Leave it to idle. There it is. All right. We'll let you guys hear it out. All right, guys. We got you a 2019 Ford Mustang 5.0, fully loaded. It used to have the active exhaust on it and all that. We cut that off. We're going to show you what we did to it in a second. There it is. 5.0 Coyote. Got factory converters, as usual, there and there. Then we did an X-pipe about 6 months ago. Took the resonator out and put an X-pipe in its place. And then what we put out on the back, as you guys can see there and there, is 2 Dynomax race bullets, 24 250s. There'll be a link in the description for them, right there and right there. And then we also finished it off with some quad tips, just to complete the look. Really nice quad tips. I'll see if I can get you guys a link in the description for them. It's really nice. They're staggered quad tips, so you guys can see one is longer than the other, just to go with the bend. Comes out really nice. And then on the active exhaust, if you ever take it to a mechanic, you just tell them to zip tie them away and put them in inside the bumper on each side, like right there. That's what we did there and there. Just zip tied them away. So if they ever need to put them back in, they can. I don't know if you guys can see it, but right there. All right. There's the mufflers that we cut off. I don't know why they have them all the way over there, but they do. There's the 2 mufflers we cut off there and there. And then the active exhaust goes on one of the tips, as you guys can see right there. There's the active exhaust. Has a flange that opens and closes depending on mode. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Look what we have here. It's a Coyote 5.0 Ford Mustang. Sexy little car. My guy don't like Fords. I like Fords, Chevys, Dodge. I like every car. Which car you don't like to me? If it ain't a Chevy, I don't like it. Yeah, okay, whatever. He'll drive it though. Factory converters there. If you had to walk or drive a Ford or any other car, you'd drive it, right? Oh, also depends on the price. Okay, okay. You see how he comes up with excuses. Anyways, factory converters there in the, $200 car. Anyways, so factory converters there and there. We're having a conversation under the car. Then you saw what we took off. I'll show you guys again. And we replace it with the MBRP system. There is the factory H-pipe. It's a factory 3-inch system from MBRP, not factory, aftermarket system. H-pipe there, 3-inch, all the way back. We always tack the clamps. Some people prefer it, some people don't. I always prefer to tack them. You can always cut them. That way they don't loosen back out. Then it's a 3-inch system all the way back, as you guys can see there. And then it's got the J-pipe set up, so to cut down on drone. There and there, which is this thing right here. Why is it so zoomed in? This one right there. That's the J-pipe, they call it, for drone. 3-inch all the way back into quad tips. 4-inch on each side. Really beautiful. It fits the hole perfectly, as you guys can see. Right there, right there. There'll be a link in the description for the system if we can get it for you. There's the box for the system. There's the resonator we cut off. It's a dual in, dual out. 2 tailpipes there. And 2 mufflers with quad tips right there. So that's the old system, the ugly system. Now it's beautiful system. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Guys, we got a 2019 Ford Mustang GT 6-speed. Beautiful pearl white on black. Really sexy car. Don't you guys agree? Let me know. Anyways, got factory converter there, factory converter there. Then it's got a catback system that he had some problems with. He brought it to us and we put it on the lift and fixed it for him. So it's got the double helix, double X pipe by Corsa right there. As you guys can see, one X pipe, two X pipes, all 3-inch. And then it goes out the back with a Corsa Extreme out the back. So it's a full bolt-on kit. He had a problem right there. We fixed it for him. It broke or something. But we got it all fixed up for him, made them look nice and pretty, like they're supposed to, right there and right there. Then it's got quad tips out the back, there, in there. So it's a Corsa Extreme kit. We'll see if we can find you guys a link in the description for it. There's the Corsa, as you guys can see. There's the double helix. Really nice. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We get about 20% that actually subscribe out of the millions of views we get. So if you can hit that subscribe button, we really, really appreciate it. Ford Mustang GT, rear muffler delete with Dynomax race bullets and active exhaust delete. Go ahead with X-pipe in the center. Much better. There's sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. 120, bro. Again. Much better. Let it idle. That's what it sounds at idle. Give it gas. Again. Yeah, it's so much better. Go ahead and back it out. This is a normal mode. I don't know if the engine changes with sport or track mode. Oh, that sounds so good. Again. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ooh. Let it warm up a little bit. Again. Yeah, 122. 123. This is good. MBRP system. 3-inch. And my ears. The earwax is rattling. Go ahead and bring it back. Wow. I love the tail lights on it. He just changed the tail lights on it too. You guys can see they're really nice. Wow, dude. You like it? I love it. That's awesome. Wow. All murdered out. Sexy. Wow. Let you guys hear on the inside. This is his YouTube channel, guys. If you guys want to follow it, DrivenbyVision. Make sure you comment Exhaust Addicts in the comments for him that Exhaust Addicts sent you. Go ahead. Much better. The double X makes a huge difference. Here's sound decibels. 116. Again. Sound the best on anything. Back it out. They're expensive, but they're worth the money, you know, for the sound. Very nice. Again. It's so mean, man. And what makes it better, there's no rev limiter because it's 6-speed too. It's just perfect all the way around. Let you guys hear on the inside. catback exhaust system. 3-inch. Ford Mustang Corsa Extreme Double Helix X-Pipe System catback. Here's what it sounds like. Traffic. That sounds really nice.